If your lifelong dream has always been to migrate to the US on a fully funded scholarship, look no further. This could be your moment. By the time you finish watching this video, you would have understood the institutions and programs that you can access that will give you scholarship to the US, and you will also understand the process that you can follow. One of the institutions that I'm about to reveal to you in this video has not charged any student a dime since 1892. I repeat, 1892. They've never charged any student. They believe that education should be free. Access to education should not be denied because of socio-economic background. Okay, if you are coming across my video for the first time, I do videos about migration to different countries. I've got videos for skilled migrants, videos for students, everything. I've done videos to Canada, United States of America, the UK. So I always say to people, immigration policies changes from time to time, and as a result, it's crucial that you stay informed. It's not enough for you to watch one video and think, oh, I applied for that job, it didn't work out. You have to continue to try. The alternative is for you to go and give an agent $12,000 or pounds, and they run away with your money. So I believe that doing it yourself is the easiest way, because the information that we're giving you here is enough for you to get a visa for yourself. So if you haven't subscribed, you're not doing yourself any good, because you're not going to be able to know when information that will change your life, that will benefit you, is released. So I encourage you, for your own good, to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on our Facebook page to make sure you get the most up-to-date information on migration. So I'm going to show you the list. So a lot of people do not know that one of the easiest ways to relocate to the United States is on a internship. But people are not aware of this. Okay, internship is one of the easiest way. I've got a list of 20 internship, but I'm only going to release two in this video because I do not want this video to be too long. But I will also, in addition to that, give you another institution, one university and a college that is offering scholarship to international students. As I said before, one of the college that I'm going to give you now has never charged students since 1892. They've never charged a dime. So I'm going to show you now. I encourage you to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to reveal all the institutes and the process that you have to follow. So the first university I'm going to show you about is Texas Lutheran University, also known as TLU. So you click on TLU on Google search, it comes up with this. I want this video to be very short, so I'm going to just quickly whiz through it. Okay, so I'm going to show you scholarship and aid. Okay, so what do we have here? It says here, now this university, I want to show you this, my good people. For the first year, you would receive between 20,000 per year to 25,000 times 4. So if you are doing a 4 years course, you will get 20,000 per year, and that would go, or if you, by the time you add that to what you get in 4 years, that will be, if your scholarship is for 20,000, that will be 80,000. If your scholarship is for 25,000, that will be 100,000. So they have three types of scholarship that you might be entitled to. Okay, so here it says if your GP is 4 points, you are entitled to the presidential scholarship, which gives you 25,000 per year. If it's 3.7, you will get 22,000. Anything below 3.69 will give you 20,000. So in addition to that, I want to read something out here. It says if you take the SAT and score 100, 1,100 or above, or the AST, or score 22 or above, you will want to submit your test score to earn an additional 1,000 to $3,000 depending on your score. So in addition to the scholarship you're getting, if you do well, you will get another additional between $1,000 to $3,000 on top of the scholarship. So that is what you will get from this university. Like I said before, this video, I want it to be very short, so I'm going to make it very, very short. So you can still get, even if your GP is below, it's not up to the three I talked about before, you will still get some. For example, if your GP is below 2.5, you still get entitled to 9,000. And if it's 2.5, you're still entitled to 4,000. And if it's 2.7, it's still entitled you to 15,000. This is a university that is an evangelical university. They have loads of courses here. I'm going to make this video very short. I want you to go and look at this university for yourself. So the next one I'm going to go through here is Berea College. Okay. Now, how you bring Berea College up is you just go on. I want to take you back to the Google beginning so you can see where I brought it out from. Let's see. So you just type in Berea College on Google, type it into Google search. This will come up. Okay. So what you do is that you click on admission and aid. Okay. Let's see what comes up here. Okay. So let's read what it said here. It says, we are looking for students with grit, determination, and financial need. So if you are in financial need, they are looking for you. As long as you have grit, you have determination, education should not money should not stop you from accessing education. Okay. So student ready to take on a rigorous top-ranked liberal arts education and turn it into a rewarding career. Students willing to work to grow and expand their horizon through diversity, and students who want to join a community of support that is invested in their success. Let's go back. I want to show you something. Okay. When I saw this, I could not believe it. I said, God bless America. This is a land where they believe in the power of education, that your talent should take you as far as where you want to be, regardless of your social background, socioeconomic background. So here I say, no tuition fees, written in bold, no tuition fees. It say zero. That is how much the 1,454 Barra College students paid for tuition last year. Barra College believes your income should not limit your outcome. God bless America again, which is why we have not charged student tuition fees since 1892. They have not charged a penny since 1892. Okay, I'm going to quickly run through this now. Let me show you the courses that you'll be able to do here. Okay, so let's see. So go here. So you'll be able to do courses such as agricultural and natural resources, history, biology, chemistry, economics, education, engineering, technology and applied design, environmental science, French, health studies, law and society. The list goes on. Physics, they can do physics, can do everything here. So these are the courses that you can do at, there is zero charge on this course. You can actually go to the internet. There are quite a few videos on, I think, either Nigerians or Ghanaian who recently got fully funded scholarship and they are now studying in this university and they were giving their testimony. Some people might think, oh, it's not possible. This is possible, but you have to earn the right for them to want to offer you this scholarship. They're not going to offer you this scholarship if you haven't earned the right. By earning the right, you have to prove to them that you have the talent, but money is preventing you from pursuing your education for them want to give you the tool. So those are the two schools. Okay, so a lot of people do not know this is one opportunity that a lot of people are not taking advantage of. I decided to add it to this video because I want my audience to have this opportunity for them not to miss out. In fellowship, internship is one of the easiest ways to relocate to the United States of America, but a lot of people are not taking advantage of it. I've got more than 10 identified internship which I have found online that I think my audience should be aware of. But in this video, I'm only going to show you two that you should be aware of. Okay, I'm going to show you two. I'll do another video on fellowship. Okay, this is a golden opportunity which people are not taking advantage of. The first one is LPI summer internship. Okay, so you type in summer internship here. LPI summer internship. It comes up with this. Just click on this. I want to show you something. Okay. So what did you see here? LPI summer internship in the United States 2023, fully funded. Fully funded. Okay. So the duration that you're going to be in the United States is fully funded. Okay. So it says here, it says the fully funded internship in the United States provides students with a chance to participate in professionally developed activities comprises lectures and development work. It is an attractive prospect for highly qualified students in times of crisis when the globe has already been influenced by various social, political, and economic and religious calamities. So this is another one that people are not aware of. Okay, so this is how you can apply this one. It says here, make a different Monco MBA accredited. So this one is another fully paid internship, which a lot of people are not aware of. People are just focusing on colleges and university, but they are not taking advantage of internship. So this one, I want you to take advantage of this one. Okay, I'm going to show you another internship. Like I said before, I'm only going to release two in this video, but I've got more coming up. I've got 10 more that I've already spotted, which I will do another video. I'm trying to make this video not too long, okay? So let me just show you the other one now, okay? Okay, so the next one I want to show you is RIPS Summer Internship, okay? So what you do, just click on it, type it on Google search, it comes up like this. Click on this, okay? So again, you can see from the top, it's boldly written that this is fully funded internship, okay? So what you do is if you scroll down to the bottom here, this one, it's next year summer now. You can start applying now. The process of applying starts now. You can start applying. So it says RPS Summer Internship Program 2023 in the United States, an excellent chance for talented student and recently graduate seeking to pursue their career in mathematics, computer science, and relevant field abroad. This internship in the US provides students an opportunity to work in a team through engagement in real world projects, which were directly proposed by the sponsors of industry giants or public sector organizations. So this one again, it's another golden opportunity for you to develop your skills, for you to learn, and for you to go to the United States of America free of charge. So this one, it says, the fully funded internship in the United States allows brilliant and conceptual minded to augment their career progression while polishing their professional skill simultaneously. You see, further, it grants bright mind an opportunity to work together with people belonging to different communities around the globe. This is a gold, these two that I've just put here, these are two golden opportunities for people to migrate to the United States. I've shown you in these videos, I've shown you Berra College, which is a school in the America that has not charged a penny for tuition since 1893. It's completely free. I've shown you Texas Lutheran College, which is a school where you can get up to $100,000 in scholarship. And I've shown you these two internships. The first one I showed you is LPI summer internship. I've shown you that, and I've shown you this last one now. I hope that you found this video useful. Like I always say, immigration policies changes from time to time. You need to be informed. It's not enough for you to just watch one video and you expect things to change overnight. You have to continue to update yourself as soon as information comes up so that you are the first to know what is going on. This can only happen if you subscribe to our channel, which is what I call Opportunity Channel. We have a team of dedicated guys who are searching for information. As soon as they spot it, they will release it out to our audience, because we do not want you to miss out. Whether you are looking to migrate through a work route, through student route, through any route you're looking to migrate legally, we have a program for you. Whether you're looking for a highly skilled professional or skilled or unskilled professional, we have something for everyone. So look out for my next video. I'm doing a video on how to immigrate to Canada, which coming up in 2 days time. And I also have another video coming up on Finland, another one coming on Denmark, another one coming up on the UK. This is the place to be. If you are not following Launch Club, I don't know what you're missing out. You need to share the good news. Tell your friends and family to continue to follow Launch Club. Our service is completely free. We want to give as many people as possible the information for them to be able to legally migrate without paying agent a dime. You do not have to spend thousands of pounds or dollars paying agent when you can do this thing for yourself. I hope you found this video useful. Continue to follow us on our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You will never be disappointed or regret. Thank you so much. May God bless you. May God let your dream come true. Thank you.